The chapter is Exponents for Standard 7. Let us understand why we are using the exponents. See this number, such a huge number. It's very difficult to read. You have to put a comma and then read. And this number, you see, is still more bigger number. So we can write these numbers in a shorter form using the exponents. So we can write this as 2.5 into 10 to the power of 7. Here you can also write this as 25. It's also equal to 25 into 10 to the power of 6, and like that. Here also you can similarly write it in a shorter form. So this is the main usage of using exponents. So to express these large numbers in a form which can be read, written, compared easily, we use the exponent form. Now let us understand the laws of exponents. The first law is a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. If you understand the concept, then it will be very easy to memorize. So let us take 2 to the power of 3 and this is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, and 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 into 2. Now if I multiply 2 cube into 2 squared, I can write this as 2 into 2 into 2 into, this is 2 times, into 2. So how many times are there? It is 5 times. So we can write this as 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 3 into 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. So how did you get 5? You can add the powers. So that is how a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. The next law is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. That is, when the bases are same and the powers are different and you have to divide, then you can subtract the powers and the bases are same. For again we'll do some example. A to the power of m, let it be 2 to the power of 5. So I'll write it as 2 into 2 5 times, and 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 3 times. Now I will divide 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 by 2 into 2 into 2. So I can cut this and I will be left with 2 into 2, that is equal to 2 squared. So 2 squared is how? What is the connection between these powers? 5 minus 3. So you can write a to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Now another law is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So for this, again let me take 2 to the power of 3, that is equal to 2 into 2 3 times. Again I will divide 2 cube divided by 2 cube. So that is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 divided by again 2 into 2 into 2. So if I cut, you will get 1. When I use the previous law, that is a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So if I do this, I will get 2 to the power of 3 minus 3 is equal to, I have already got, it is 1. What is 3 to the power of 3? It is 0. 3 minus 3, it is 0. So I will get 2 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So any number to the raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 5 to the power of 0 is 1. Minus 2 to the power of 0, that is also 1. So any number, whether it's a fraction or any integer, anything to the power of 0 is always equal to 1. Now the next law is a to the power of m, the whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. So let us take a to the power of m is equal to 2 cube and n is equal to 2. So I will write a to the power of m is equal to 2 cube is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So that is equal to, I will get it as 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Now a to the power of m the whole squared. So I will write a to the power of m whole to the power of n, that is equal to a to the power of m is 2 cube, n is 2. So what is 2 cube? I have already got, it is 8. So 8 squared. So that is equal to 64. I will write this as 2 cube, the whole squared. I can also write it as 2 cube. I can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 squared. So once more into 2 into 2 into 2. So this is 3, 4, 5 and 6. That is equal to 2 to the power of 6. So I got 2 to the power of 6 is equal to, what is 2 to the power of 6? 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 2 to the power of 6 is, if you do, you will get it as 64. So here also you got 64 and here also you got 64. So a to the power of m, the whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n. Now here we will take an example. 2 to the power of 3 into 3 to the power of 3. Now the powers are same, the bases are different. So I will write this as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. I will write it as 3 into 3 into 3. So I will get this as 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 3 24 into 3 into 3 9. It is 260. Now I will do a into b, the whole to the power of m. So a into b is 2 into 3, the whole to the power of 3. So I can write this as 6 cube. So 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6. So 36 into 6 is 260. So we got this as a to the power of m into b to the power of m is equal to a into b, the whole to the power of m. The same way you can get this one also. 3 cube divided by 2 cube is equal to, I will write this as 3 into 3 into 3 by 2 into 2 into 2. So 27 by 8. Now I will write 3 by 2 the whole cube. So this will be equal to 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2, that is also 27 by 8. So you got the law a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m is equal to a divided by b, the whole to the power of m. And in this law, a to the power of n is equal to 1 by a to the power of minus n, or a to the power of minus n is equal to 1 by a to the power of n. So when you have to change a negative exponent, you have to simply write the reciprocal and put the power.